Alrighty. How's everybody? Yeah? Sweet. Ready to have some fun? Excellent. All right. Get this thing fired up here. Well, welcome. I'm Pete Erickson. I'm the founder of MoDev. We're a group that's been around now for 4 years. We started to basically address the mobile developer space, knowing that things are moving way too fast for any one person to keep up. So our primary mission is just to connect people with information and each other so that they can keep up in the mobile space. And today's event is kind of part of that and kind of part of the spirit of MoDev. So we're really psyched you guys are all here. I want to thank the Consumer Electronics Association for the partnership with MoDev. We pulled this together pretty late in the game, I think late September, October timeframe, and pulled this together, and it's been a great experience. This hackathon is just part of an effort by CEA to, make CES more part of the developer community. There are a lot of events going on this week. Of course, many of you went to the AT&T Dev Summit prior to CES. And then we've got the hackathon here. And then I know that there's a Developer University happening tomorrow as well. And I want Dave to come up and just say a couple words about the Developer University so you guys are aware of it. And then we'll kick our program off. So, Mr. Dave Wilson from CEA.
All right, great. Thanks, Pete. I'll just take a really quick moment here to let you know that we have this Developer University event tomorrow. It's going to be over in the connector between the Central Hall and the South Hall in the Las Vegas Convention Center in S227 and S228. I just brought in the back of the room here, we have some of these cool backpacks. You can, when you're cruising around the show floor, you can pick up your paraphernalia and easily carry it around, so be sure to pick one of those up. And also you'll find the schedule of what we have lined up for Developer University tomorrow. We have a bunch of people that, from various companies that have platforms on which people can develop that are coming to talk about their stuff. So hope to see you there. It should be a great event. It's all day tomorrow starting at 9 a.m., running through 5 p.m. LVCC S227 and S228 all day and S227 in the afternoon. So thanks again, Pete, and best wishes on a really great event. Looks awesome.
Thank you, Dave. All right, so we got some refreshments over here, some bagels and whatnot, coffee, teas, and so be sure to help yourself. So let's kick this thing off here. I've got a short presentation. The hashtag today is 2013 CES 2013 hack, and if anybody feels like having some fun with that, please do. We'll figure out some things to give away during the day for the most creative tweets. So stay tuned for that. I know you're going to be busy, though. So the Wi-Fi is hack CES, and the password is hack 2013 CES. All right? And let us know if you're having any connectivity problems. We ran wires to every table so that you guys would have a good connection. You wouldn't be competing with all the other folks here. So let us know, though, so we can address that right away. Schedule, we're going to have some sponsor presentations. To kick us off, sponsors are going to let you know what they're up to, how to win their awards. We're going to start coding at 10 a.m. sharp, and then we're going to bring in lunch. We're going to have an afternoon snack. At 6 p.m., it's code stop. You also have to have your demo ready at that time. It's not fair to the people that have to go first to allow others to work on their demo while they're going. You're going to have 2 minutes each to do your demo. I know on the website we said 3, but we had to cut it down because we've added there's going to be more presentations than we originally thought, and we have the room a limited amount of hours. So we've got to go 2 minutes, but it's plenty of time to show off your app. And then there's going to be awards at 8 p.m., and then there's an unofficial after party. We haven't even decided where it is, so maybe we'll figure that out on Twitter as well. All right, so quick summary of the rules. I run several hackathons. I like to keep them as loose as possible. This is a kind of an honor system here. That these are new ideas that you're coding and designing today. No use of remote developers. Some travel adventure aspect incorporated into whatever it is you're doing at this hackathon. And then again, 6 p.m. code stop. So pretty simple on the rules. Demos. We're going to make sure that we understand what your demo requirements are in advance, so that we can run as smooth of a presentation session as possible this evening. And have fun. You know, this is a big part of today is having a great time, meeting interesting people, and doing something cool. All right, so judging. Sponsors' discretion for who they want to give their awards to, but the grand prize competition is going to be judged based on criteria, creative idea, pitch and demo quality, extra points for attitude. So if something's not, you know, if your demo isn't quite right, but you describe your app with great fervor, and you know, that's going to count. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but have fun with it. That's what's most important. Incorporation of travel, adventure, and stickiness and viral potential. Each of those is rated on a scale of 1 to 10, and we take the average overall rating of that and decide who the top 3 are. We have a special guest judge coming in today, Todd Carmichael from a show called Dangerous Grounds on Travel Channel. You're going to hear more about that, and you're going to have a chance to meet Todd. A very cool program, in addition to a lot of the cool programs that the Travel Channel is kicking out. So on the awards, Travel Channel is going to be giving away cash and some really cool Dr. Dre Beat headphones. Very cool. First prize, $4,000. Second prize, $2,500. Third prize, $1,500. And ignore my resources, bit.ly, not MoDev, Sony. Late in the game presentation. So Sony is going to be giving away devices, and you're going to hear from Sony in just a little bit. First prize is going to get the Xperia, a smartwatch, and a smart wireless headset pro for each member of the team. Great gear. A smartwatch to each team member for second, and smart wireless headset pro to each member. And the resources, we made simple bit.lys for helping you access their developer resources, so it's just MoDev Sony at their bit.ly. Key, going to be giving away cash and services for the Key Cloud. So definitely, especially all your Android and iOS developers and HTML5 developers, get up on the Key Cloud and make use of that on the back end. And there you go, $2,000, $1,500, and $1,000 in prizes. And again, the bit.ly MoDev Key. Samsung developers giving away very cool devices or cash. Galaxy Note 2S, S3, or $300 cash for each team member. Galaxy Notes for second place, Galaxy Tabs for each team member in third place. And again, the bit.ly's MoDev Samsung. Trying to keep it simple here. And Facebook, cash and devices. This is one device per team, but the ad credit services, definitely a big help, and the team's right back there. So make use of that social plugin. And there's your prizes, and MoDev FB, simply to reach their developer resources. Microsoft giving away a Surface tablet or the Lumia 920 Nokia phone to each team member that develops the top 3 teams that develop Windows Phone 8 apps or Windows Phone apps. So there they are, summary on the prizes, and again, Microsoft MoDev MSFT on the resources. So without further ado, let's give a big round of applause to the sponsors today that made this whole thing possible. And I'd like to bring the Sony team up to give you their sponsor presentation. And so we'll go through these. We'll have 5 minutes each, and then we'll finish off with Travel Channel, and then we'll count down and get started. Come on up.